Hello everyone! How are you today? This is the rubric Did You Know? Today we are learning English idioms. Idioms are phrases that have figurative meaning. Native speakers use idioms all the time. Let's start. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. This means something is very easy. That test was a piece of cake. That test was a piece of cake. Break the ice. Break the ice. Do something to start talking and help people feel relaxed. At the party, she told a funny story to break the ice. At the party, she told a funny story to break the ice. Under the weather. Under the weather. Feel sick or not well. I'm not going to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm not going to work today. I am feeling under the weather. Nice job! These idioms are fun and useful. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more simple English. See you next time!